The definition of minimalism has undergone a radical transformation over the last decade. What once began as a stark, almost clinical movement defined by all-white everything has evolved into a sophisticated philosophy of essentialism. As we move through 2026, minimalist home and kitchen design are no longer about living with as little as possible. They are about living with the highest quality of what matters most. From the rise of invisible technology to the return of organic warmth, 2026 is seeing a shift toward homes that act as sanctuaries for the senses. Here are the top minimalist home and kitchen design trends currently shaping our living spaces. 1. The rise of warm minimalism. In 2026, the cold, museum-like aesthetic of the past is officially being replaced by warm minimalism. This trend prioritizes comfort and tactile experiences while maintaining a clutter-free environment. The color palette has shifted from cool grays and stark whites to earthy neutrals. Think terracotta, mushroom, sand, and muted olive. Homeowners are layering textures rather than objects. Instead of a decorative vase, the decor is found in the grain of a white oak dining table, the weave of a linen sofa, or the subtle imperfections of a lime wash wall. This approach makes a home feel lived in and cozy without violating the core principle of simplicity. 2. The invisible kitchen. The kitchen has long been the heart of the home, but in 2026, it is physically disappearing. As open-plan living becomes the standard for modern apartments and homes, there is a growing desire to hide the work of the kitchen when it is not in use. Integrated cabinetry and hidden appliances have reached a new peak of sophistication. Refrigerators, dishwashers, and even ovens are now completely paneled to match the surrounding cabinetry, creating a seamless wall of wood or matte lacquer. We are also seeing the rise of pocket doors that slide away to reveal coffee stations or prep areas, only to be closed when the meal is finished, returning the room to a state of architectural purity. 3. Smart minimalism. Ambient technology. Technology in 2026 is no longer something you see, it's something you feel. Minimalist design is now integrating ambient tech, devices that are functional but aesthetically silent. In the kitchen, this looks like invisible induction cooktops integrated directly into the stone or porcelain countertop. There are no visible burners or glass plates. The surface remains a flat, beautiful piece of stone that can be used for prep work 1 minute and cooking the next. In the wider home, smart lighting systems are now programmed to follow circadian rhythms, subtly shifting color temperature throughout the day without the need for bulky switches or visible control panels. 4. Sustainable materiality and cradle-to-cradle design. Minimalism in 2026 is inextricably linked to sustainability. A true minimalist home is one that considers the footprint of every material used. We are seeing a surge in biophilic materials derived from nature that can eventually return to it. Mycelium, mushroom-based, insulation, hempcrete walls, and recycled glass countertops are becoming high-end staples. There is a buy once, buy well mentality that favors artisanal furniture over mass-produced items. A single, hand-carved stone sink or a reclaimed timber island becomes the focal point, celebrating the beauty of natural resources while reducing environmental impact. 5. Multi-sensory textures, tactile walls. Minimalists are moving away from flat, painted drywall and moving toward textural wall treatments. In 2026, the wall itself is the art. Plasters, microcement, and 3D wood slatting are being used to add depth to rooms without adding physical clutter. These surfaces play with light and shadow throughout the day, providing a dynamic visual experience that keeps a minimalist room from feeling flat. In the kitchen, we see this in the form of fluted cabinetry or stone backsplashes with a honed or leathered finish rather than a high-gloss shine. 6. The evolution of the work-from-home nook. With hybrid work now a permanent fixture of professional life, the cluttered desk in the corner is a thing of the past. Minimalist design in 2026 treats the workspace with the same reverence as the bedroom. The trend is now toward clutter-free, shrouded desks. These are slim, wall-mounted units that can be folded up or closed off, allowing the brain to switch from work mode to home mode instantly. Cable management is no longer an afterthought. It is built into the furniture itself, ensuring that the minimalist lines of the home are never interrupted by a tangle of charging cords. 7. Curved geometry and soft edges. While minimalism was once defined by sharp, 90-degree angles, 2026 is the year of the curve. From arched doorways to rounded kitchen islands and bean-shaped sofas, soft geometry is being used to create flow. Psychologically, curves feel safer and more relaxing to the human eye than sharp corners. In a small minimalist apartment, a rounded dining table or a curved kitchen counter allows for better movement and flow, preventing the space from feeling like a series of boxes. This soft minimalism mimics the organic shapes found in nature, reinforcing the home as a place of rest. 8. The butler's pantry and scullery comeback. To keep the main kitchen looking pristine and minimalist, the messy work is being moved behind the scenes. Even in smaller homes, designers are carving out space for a scullery or a deep pantry. This secondary space houses the toaster, the microwave, the messy prep bowls, and the bulk groceries. By delegating the clutter to a hidden zone, the primary kitchen can remain a minimalist masterpiece of clean countertops and beautiful materials. This trend reflects a desire for functional luxury, having the space to be messy so that the living area can remain clean. Conclusion: designing for the future. The minimalist trends of 2026 prove that the movement is not about less for the sake of less. It is about clarity. Whether it's an invisible stovetop, a wall that feels like velvet, or a kitchen that hides its own functions, the goal is to remove the friction from daily life. By embracing warm neutrals, sustainable materials, and hidden technology, the modern minimalist home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a curated environment that supports mental well-being and environmental responsibility. In 2026, we are finally learning that when we clear our physical space, we make room for a better quality of life.